How can just your followers that you follow back can stitch with your TikTok video on TikTok, of course. Today, guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe in our channel. So let's start. First, you will just go to TikTok, then open it. After this, when TikTok is open, it will open on home directly. You will just go down, go to profile and open profile. Then go to this three line here, then go to settings and privacy, and then on settings and privacy you will go to privacy, go down little, go to stitch, click on it, then you have to change it to followers that you follow back like this, and that's it. You will just go back and work video. That's it, guys. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.